Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. Today I just wanted to do a quick update on my son's overvolted Razor motorcycle here. So I've got it set up to where it's using my 40 volt Ryobi batteries. This is a 6 amp hour. It's got a full charge. So I turn it on here, roll on the throttle real lightly. And it's not working again. It was working just a second ago. Of course it doesn't want to work for the video. Anyway, so what's going on when it is working is I try to roll on the throttle and the BMS cuts out on the battery. So what I need to do is I ordered a different battery that's got a higher amperage on the BMS. So when that comes in, I'll get that set up and we will see how that goes. And it's a short little update video. I hope you liked it. If you do, like, subscribe, push the bell so you can get updated when I create a new video. Thanks for watching.